We're going to talk about how to complete the track lab. So if you're at home, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to open the lab here, download it to Notability, and then split screen it with the track lab video. So I'll show you both of those things here. First though, with the track lab, we're just going to open it up. It's a PDF. We got a metric conversion chart at the top here. If you're in school, we're going to do it by going out to the track. So face to face, we're going to put it in Notability. We're going to go out to the track and a meter stick. Distance learner, you're going to have to use split screen and use the video that's in the lab. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure the width of a track lane. We're going to measure it in centimeter to the nearest centimeter, and then convert it to meters using your metric number line. Remember, meters are a base unit. Okay. And then using dimensional analysis, we're going to convert the measurement to inches. And remember, when we're doing a dimensional analysis conversion, just as a side note, you start with your answer. So it'll be your measurement in centimeters, right? That's what I'm going to do. And I want to get my answer in inches. Then just a reminder that when we're doing that, remember that we always do our metric or our conversion factors with something that looks like this, right? And the units I start with, centimeters, they're going to have to go on bottom down here, right? So I'd put my bottom 2.54 centimeters. That's one of my givens. And then on top it'll be 1 inch. I'll show you how to do this one, but make sure in the future ones that you do it yourself. And then whatever, say you had 90, it'd be 90 times 1 divided by 2.54 centimeters. And that would give me my answer in inches. We're going to do distance between the girls' hurdles. We'll show you what that's like out there. It's also in the video. Notice it says, for those watching the video, pause and record the width in meters. Then we'll do boys' hurdles. There's 9 full meters in the video plus a small measurement. Make sure you do that. You're doing another dimensional analysis problem. And then the racetrack is a metric track. So that's what we got going here. And then you're calculating some errors, basically why would they not be exactly the same? So this is bonus for face-to-face. So if you're a distance learner, don't worry about this as well. Okay. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great day.